This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. Sir, the Directorates of Industries of the states, which are the implementing agencies of the programs of small-scale industries development, are expected to ensure this. Therefore, the Center expects the state governments to do something about this. As far as the governments are concerned, they are complacent about all this. They are blissfully silent about the possible steps they may take in future, at least to plug the loopholes. To prevent such recurring eventuality, they are not prepared to do that even now. They shift the responsibility or pass on the buck and say that state governments are responsible because the small-scale sector is within their purview. That is one stock reply which is often given. So, sir, this is how the multinational companies, big monopoly houses, etc. have come to occupy a place of pivotal importance and accumulated the riches in a very speedy manner by cornering all the benefits legitimately due to small-scale sector. Now, sir, the other day discussion took place in this house about the amounts held in the Swiss banks. How this is happening? A study by the International Monetary Fund has confirmed that deposits in Swiss banks are to the extent of about rupees 1,300 crores. At least 15 to 20 times that money lies in the secret accounts of the Indians, in the banks of Hong Kong, USA and several other places. Sir, it is estimated that the total amount thus comes to about rupees 30,000 crores. This figure is again escalating at the rate of 15 to 20% per year. Last year, foreign trade was of the order of about rupees 3,000 crores. At least 10% of this cost goes towards secret accounts, which covers trade only. There are defense and other contracts also. Therefore, we can very well understand what will happen is that sector also, instead of the money being made available for this country, it is being kept elsewhere in furtherance of their own interests. It is not available for any national purpose and developmental purpose. Honorable Sir, I want to make a passing reference to the big business entering into small-scale sectors and cornering all the incentives, concessions and exemptions due to small-scale sectors, with a view to harness these benefits. Large houses have started setting up their own units in the small-scale sectors. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.